Warning, I have fake nails on every finger but my thumbs because the thumbs never fit. It gives me a lot of energy, so I'm gonna be out of pocket. Hello, alright, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori, and today I have an update for the Alice in WonderPAN Project Pan. This was created by Alyshia. Should be listed down below as well as the master list for this project. It was started March 5th, 2022 on March 4th, 2023. So I'm doing this rolling style and I'm getting close to being done this project. So let's talk about the changes. So the two empties for this update are both items I hit on the same day. So the first prompt that was done is why is a raven like a writing desk, and it's a gimme products. So I picked a bio nose strip. I used this on October 5th. Very happy that this is done. Like I said in the last update, I use these pretty much once a month just to help my nose. My nose gets a lot of pores. And then the other prompt that is rolling out is not all who wander are lost, a product you discovered by accident. So I had the LA Girl holographic glitter top coat in Hollow Glam. My goal in this project was to use it 10 times. It needed 3 more uses, and I hit those 3 uses on the 5th of October. Very happy that this is finally done. I enjoyed it a lot. I honestly think I could hit pan in it soon, but that's for another day and another project. We'll go in with everything remaining. So the oldest item in this project is for Cheshire Cat, and that is a lip product. So this is the Melt Lipstick in Frisky. My goal is to finish this. Since the last update, I only used it once. I'm slowly getting back into using lip products, like lipsticks and liquid lipsticks regularly, but it's a little slow, so very sorry about that. Next, this is, where are you? For prompt off with her head, a hair care item, I pulled in the Hask Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. My goal with this is to use it 10 times. Since the last update, I used it 6. It has 4 more uses left to go, so this will definitely roll out by the next update. And last but not least, before we talk about what is rolling in for the prompt, why sometimes I believed as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast. So it's a product with an impossible goal. Words. I had the CoverGirl liquid lipstick. It's in 621, but it came from a kit, and once again I forget the name. I only used it once since the last update, so it is still vibing. So the products rolling in, I'm not really excited about either of these, so let's just talk about them. So for the first prompt, I chose, it's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person then. So it's a product you won't repurchase when you finish it. So I picked the Beauty Blender Bounce Concealer. What is with words today? This is in 110N Light Shell. I got this from influencer, reviewed it. I hate it. It's very thick. It's literally like they put the foundation in a little tube and called it a concealer, which is, I mean, the foundation's better than this, but whatever. Anyway, I will not repurchase it because it's too thick and also too white for me somehow. So my goal is just going to be to use it 5 times. I really need a mixing medium. The sun coming in is helping my face a little bit, but my face is way too dark for me right now. But I am pushing the limit to hit some goals. So I need a mixing medium, so I'm going to pull this in for that. Only 5 uses because I don't want to finish this. I know I want it out of my life soon, but I don't have the guts to finish it right now because I also feel like I would have to finish it in like the dead of winter for it to match me like semi-perfectly. And then this last item is a repeat that is currently in another project, but I will explain why. So the prompt is Curiouser. Oh my god, I can't say it. Curiouser. I know I'm saying it wrong. I have a problem with S's and C's. Anyway, I try my best. But it's a product that you use for what it's not intended for. You use it a different way. So this is the ABH brow pen. This isn't my partner's and Cream Project pan, but I used to use this all the time for fake freckles. And a lot of the times when it's not on my brows, it's on my face as fake freckles. So my goal is going to be to use it 5 times as fake freckles. So interesting. But yeah, that is my quick update for Alice in WonderPAN. I've been loving where this project is going, and I think I have like 6 prompts left after these. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. So if you enjoy me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that jazz. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.